Hydrohazards. Flood. Floods are a common hydrohazard that can have devastating effects on communities and the environment. Floods occur when an area experiences an overflow of water onto land that is usually dry. This can happen due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, storm surges, or the failure of dams or levees. Floods can lead to property damage, displacement of people, loss of crops, contamination of water sources, and even loss of life. It is important for individuals and communities to be prepared for floods by having emergency plans in place, understanding flood risk levels in their area, and taking steps to mitigate potential damage, such as elevating buildings, creating flood barriers, and implementing early warning systems. By being proactive and prepared, we can better protect ourselves and our communities from the impacts of flooding.